Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss science preparatory exam answer key. We all know that science question paper is divided into three parts this academic year. Part A is physical science and weightage is 28 marks. Part B is chemistry, weightage is 25 marks. And part C is biology, weightage is 27 marks. Total 80 marks for science exam. We'll discuss part A first, physical science. First section is choose the correct answers. Three questions, 3 marks. First question, the material used in the filament of an electric bulb is tungsten. Second question, in Fleming right hand rule, the forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field. The power of a lens with 1 meter focal length is 1 diopter. Second section, answer the following question. Which mirror is used as a rear view mirror in the vehicles? Correct answer is convex mirror. Fifth question, mention the nature of the image formed when the magnification of the image of an object formed by a spherical mirror has negative value. This mirror has negative value, the image of the object will be real and inverted. If it is a positive value, the image will be erect and virtual. This is extra information, students. Moving on to the third section, answer the following questions. Three questions will be given, and each question carries 2 marks. Total 6 marks for this section. An electric refrigerator rated 500 watts operate 8 hours a day. What is the cost of energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 5 per 1 kilowatt per hour? So as they ask to find energy formula is power into time. Power is given as 500 watts, time is given as 8 hours. 5 eights are 40, 2 zeros. So 500 into 8 is 4000 watts hour. It is also equal to 4 kilowatts per hour. Total energy consumed by the refrigerator for 30 days is 4 kilowatts into 30 is 120 kilowatts per hour. Thus the cost of energy to operate refrigerator for 5 rupees is 120 kilowatts per hour into 5 rupees gives you total 600 rupees. State the laws of reflection of light. There are two main laws in reflection of light. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and the incident ray, the normal to the mirror at a point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lies in the same plane. Fourth section, answer the following questions. Three questions, each question carries 3 marks, total 9 marks. Mention the function of the following devices: electric fuse, galvanometer, electric generator. Electric fuse. It protects circuits and appliances by stopping the flow of any unduly high electric current. Galvanometer is used to detect the presence of current in the circuit. Electric generator, it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. 10th question. Draw the ray diagram of image formed when the object is kept between f1 and 2f1 of the convex lens. With the help of the diagram, mention the position and the nature of the image. So this is the diagram, students, and the position of the image is beyond 2f2. So this is the image, it is beyond 2f2. And nature of the image is real and inverted. 11th question. What is biomass? What are the advantages of using the biogas? So biomass, cow dung, various plant materials like residue after harvesting the crops, vegetable waste and sewage are decomposed in the absence of oxygen to give the biogas. Advantages of biogas. Biogas is an excellent fuel as it contains up to 75% of methane. It burns without smoke, leaves no residue like ash in wood, charcoal, and coal burning. The slurry left behind is removed periodically and used as excellent manure. Fifth section, answer the following questions. Two questions, total, each question carries 4 marks, total 8 marks. 12th question. State Ohm's law, mention the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. B question, we'll see B question later. First, we'll see Ohm's law. Potential difference of a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the current passing through the circuit, provided that the temperature remains constant. Factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. First one, directly proportional to the length of conductor. Second, inversely proportional to the areas of cross section. C, depends on the nature of the material. 13th question, find the focal length of a convex mirror that has a radius of curvature 32 centimeters. We know the relation between radius of curvature and focal length. It is F is equal to R by 2, or radius of curvature is equal to 2 into focal length. Anything is same. So as we require focal length, F is equal to R by 2, where R is radius of curvature, is given as 32. 32 by 2 is 16. Hence the focal length of the given convex mirror is 16 centimeters. B question, H naught height of the object is given 4. Object distance is given 25 centimeters negative. Focal length is 15 centimeters. You know the mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So using the formula, we got V as minus 37.5 centimeters. So the image is formed behind the mirror. Since the distance is negative, thus the image is real. Now we know the magnification formula, H1 by H naught is equal to minus V by U. H1 by 4. 4 is the height of the object, minus V, minus of minus 37.5, which we got just now, by U. U is nothing but object distance 25. So H1 is equal to 6 centimeters. Students, here size of the image is greater. 6 is greater than 4. Therefore, image will be magnified. Characteristics of image are real, inverted, and magnified. Magnified means enlarged. Now we'll discuss chemistry. Sixth section, choose the correct answer. 14th question, the acid present in lemon is citric acid. Option C is the correct answer. 15th question, ZnO, zinc oxide plus carbon gives you Zn plus CO. The substance that undergoes reduction in this chemical reaction is ZnO, zinc oxide. 16th question, the elements sodium, magnesium, aluminium, and silicon are placed in the same period in the modern periodic table, having the atomic numbers 11, 12, 13, 14 respectively. The element that has the smallest atomic size is, correct option is T. Seventh section, answer the following three questions, 1 mark each. Define catenation, or what is catenation? Catenation is the ability to form bonds with the other atoms of carbon. 18th question, what are exothermic reactions? The reactions which are involved in the evolution of heat are called exothermic reaction. Aluminum oxide is called an amphoteric oxide. Why? Aluminum oxide react with both acids as well as bases to produce salts and water. That is the reason why they are called amphoteric oxides. 8th section, answer the following. We have three questions in this section. Each question carries 2 marks. Total weightage is 6 marks for this section. List any two uses of bleaching powder and baking soda. Uses of bleaching powder: used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industries, used for disinfection of drinking water, used for bleaching of washed clothes in the laundry. Now baking soda uses. Baking soda is known as sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, and it is also known as bicarbonate of soda, which is represented as NaHCO3. Important uses of baking soda are: it is used for making baking powder, it is used in soda fire extinguishers. Write any four physical properties of metals. Metals have shining surface, they are malleable and ductile, they are generally hard, metals are sonorous. Properties of ionic compounds. Physical nature: they are solid and hard, generally brittle. Melting and boiling part. Melting and boiling point. They have high melting and boiling point. Solubility: generally soluble in water and insoluble in solvents such as kerosene, petrol, etc. Conduction of electricity. Ionic compounds conduct electricity in molten and solution form but not in solid state. 22nd question. Draw the diagram, show the arrangement of apparatus used testing the conductivity of a salt solution, and is the diagram. Ninth section, answer the following questions. Three questions, each question carries 3 marks, total 9 marks weightage in this section. 23rd question, write the balanced chemical equation for the following chemical reactions. First one is iron sulfate when heated gives to iron oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So 2FeSO4 gives rise to Fe2O3 iron oxide, SO2 sulfur dioxide, SO3 sulfur trioxide. We'll see B now. Sodium sulfate plus barium chloride gives to barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Na2SO4 is sodium sulfate. Barium chloride is BaCl2 gives rise to barium sulfate BaSO4 plus sodium chloride 2NaCl. Copper plus oxygen gives to copper oxide 2CuO. 24th question, draw the diagram of the apparatus reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing the hydrogen gas by burning. Label the parts zinc granules and delivery tube. So this is the general expected question. This is the diagram from textbook. Last section of chemistry, 10th question, answer the following question. One question, it is 4 marks. 26th question, write the molecular formula and structural arrangement of the following compounds. First, we'll discuss ethene. Ethene molecular formula is C2H6. Structural arrangement is this way. Methane CH4. Diagram looks like this. Benzene molecular formula is C6H6. This is the diagram. Propanol aldehyde. So diagram looks like this. Now we will discuss part C biology. 11th section, choose the correct answer. 27th question, the hormone responsible for the good growth of fruits and seeds in plant is cytokinin. Option B is the correct answer. 28th question, the trait that cannot be inherited among the following is. Option A is the correct answer, knowledge gained by reading the books. 12th section, we have 3 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. Total weightage is 3. Mention the function of ATP produced during the cellular respiration. ATP is used to fuel all the other activities in the cell. 30th question, iodide salt must be a part of our diet. Why? This hormone regulates fat, protein, and carbohydrate metabolism in our body. If the quantity of iodine is in food is lesser than required, then the neck will swell up due to the enlargement of thyroid gland. This deficiency disease is known as goiter. Therefore, iodide salt must be a part of our diet. 31st question. The four limbs of a bird and four limbs of a human are homologous organs. Justify the statement. The four limbs of bird and four limbs of human have same structure but different in function. Draw the diagram showing the longitudinal section of a flower and label the part style. 33rd question, mention two differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable substance. There are many differences here mentioned, but I will take only two. Biodegradable substances are considered as safe for the environment, but non-biodegradable substances are harmful to the environment. Biodegradable substances are natural waste. Non-biodegradable substances are synthetic waste. We'll move on to the next section. Section number 14. Answer the following. Three questions will be given. Each question carries 3 marks. Total weightage is 9. 34th question. In humans, the sex of the child is determined by the father. Explain the statement scientifically. Men father determine the sex of a baby depending on whether the sperm is carrying an X or Y chromosome. An X chromosome of father combines with X chromosome of mother to make a baby girl XX, and Y chromosome will combine with mothers to make a baby boy XY. 35th question, how is ozone layer formed? What is the reason for the depletion of this ozone layer? What is the effect of ozone layer depletion? Formation of ozone layer. The higher energy radiation split apart some molecular oxygen O2 into free oxygen O. These atoms then combine with molecular oxygen to form ozone. Reasons depletion of ozone layer. Synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons CFCs, which are used as refrigerants and in fire extinguishers. Effect of ozone layer depletion. UV radiations are highly damaging to organisms For example, it is known to cause skin cancer in human beings.